Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and this will be covering this derivative shown on screen. The first step in solving this derivative, we apply the natural logarithmic rule where we take the function part, which is ln x to the power of 2, and we put it underneath, and then we take a derivative of this ln x squared term, as shown over here. Now, since we gotta take the derivative of this guy over here, we gotta apply the natural logarithmic rule again for this portion over here. Once we do that, we put the x squared on the bottom, as shown over here. Then we take the derivative of x squared. Now, to find the derivative of x squared, we're going to use the power rule, where n is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and n over here at the bottom is 2. Now we're left out with this. Now we're going to make it look a lot better, where we put this 2x on the top, and we put this x squared in the front, and we cancel out this x over here. And we'll be left with a singular x, and this is the final answer to this question. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.